The 659 cubic centimeters Aprilia engine has become the heart of Aprilia's modern mid-size motorcycle line. This 270 degrees parallel twin engine is known for its powerful and energetic character, delivering high performance at high revs, especially in motorcycles such as the RS660 and Tuono 660. Its strengths lie in the combination of lightweight construction and responsive power, along with agile handling thanks to its compact design. However, this high performance may be considered too aggressive for everyday use, and vibrations at low RPMs can be a drawback. To date, this engine has been used as the basis for the Aprilia RS660, Tuono 660, and of course, the Tuareg 660. Of these three models, the Aprilia Tuareg 660 is a tough and capable adventure bike with a focus on serious off-road capabilities. However, on the same platform, Aprilia saw room for a different model. With the introduction of the Pegaso Twin 660 concept, Aprilia offers a more relaxed and versatile interpretation. This motorcycle is designed with a less specific aesthetic, better suited for daily use and out-of-town trips, and easier to handle for all riders. Its elegant and understated appearance, paired with softer colors, makes it a more sophisticated option. In essence, the Pegaso Twin 660 is a modern, revised, and updated version of the legendary classic Pegaso. This motorcycle will be a truly versatile vehicle with good off-road capabilities when needed, but with a focus on comfort on the highway. It can be used in pairs, is very sturdy, and safe. The difference with its sibling, the Tuareg, lies in the character of the engine, which may be smoother, and the suspension, which is tuned for greater comfort on paved roads, as well as a slightly shorter suspension travel, providing optimal riding comfort. With meticulous finishing and high-quality components, the Pegaso Twin 660 could be Aprilia's interpretation of Moto Tot Ale, a motorcycle for all purposes. This motorcycle combines the flexibility of an adventure bike with the practicality of a city bike. However, the Pegaso Twin 660 is sure to retain the distinctive spirit that has always been present in motorcycles from Noal, Italy, renowned for their racing aura and performance. This concept promises an elegant, comfortable motorcycle that still embodies Aprilia's adventurous spirit.